For the perfect backboard, start with a piece of cardboard a little bigger than your watercolor paper. Then cut a piece of contact paper an inch or two larger than the cardboard. I like to trim the edges, but you can do the edges any way you like. Peel the back layer off the contact paper part way. Be careful it doesn't roll up and stick everywhere. Line your piece of cardboard back up in the middle and press down. I usually fold and press two sides and then check the front to be sure I don't have wrinkles. This makes a lightweight, waterproof, reusable backboard that works great for watercolor. You can make one for each size that you usually paint with, or just make a couple extra for your friends. It's inexpensive and a great backboard. Happy painting!